Imagine a 50,000-ton platform standing in the middle of the open ocean without any ground beneath it. This is a floating offshore platform, and installing it is one of the most difficult jobs in the world. But the question is, why doesn't it sink in the water? First, engineers measure the depth of the ocean. In some places, it's over 300 meters deep. It's not just about the depth. They also test the strength of the seabed because it serves as the foundation for the entire platform. Even a tiny mistake here could put the whole structure at risk. Then comes the most dangerous part, towing the massive steel hull into the open sea using only tugboats. Imagine this. The hull is partially submerged in the water. Buoyancy is what prevents it from sinking. It's a marvel of physics. Massive anchors and mooring chains are driven into the seabed. Some of these chains are up to 3 kilometers long. Even during storms with 10-meter-high waves, the platform might sway, but it doesn't break. The design is specifically engineered for this. Installing a single platform can take 5 years and cost billions of dollars.